Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear educarians. Hope you all are fine and well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to the Educators Online Sport, subject Science, final term, lesson number 2, and the topic is unit number 6 and chapter number 11. Dear students, in this lesson we will discuss about unit number 6, chapter number 11, push and pull. The content of this lesson is force, and by the end of this lesson you will be able to understand that force is required to push or pull objects. So let's start. The material required for this lesson is lead pencil, eraser, sharpener, highlighter, ruler, color box, notebook, science book and winter pack. So dear students, before starting your work, please keep these all things with you. Dear students, now open your science book page number 66. First of all, draw lines and write day, date and today's task. Here we will discuss about force. Push and pull is called force. किसी भी चीज़ को अपने से दूर करना या अपनी तरफ खींचने के लिए जोर लगाना force कहलाता है. As you can see in this picture. For example, push a ball. Now try to push a table. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि बॉल को पुश करना या किसी टेबल को पुश करना, you will notice that it is easy to push a ball, but it is difficult to push a table. आप नोटिस करेंगे कि हमारे लिए टेबल को पुश करना ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट है किसी बॉल को पुश करने की बजाय. इट मीन्स, इसका मतलब है यू नीड लेस फोर्स टू पुश अ बॉल और यू नीड मोर फोर्स टू पुश अ टेबल. आपको बॉल को पुश करने के लिए कम फोर्स लगानी पड़ेगी और किसी टेबल को पुश करने के लिए ज़्यादा फोर्स लगानी पड़ेगी. सिमिलरली, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पुल अ बॉल and then now try to pull a table. You will notice that it is easy to pull a ball but difficult to pull a table. It means, इसका मतलब है you need less force to pull a ball or you need more force to pull a table. आपको किसी बॉल को पुल करने के लिए कम फोर्स लगानी पड़ेगी और किसी टेबल को पुल करने के लिए ज़्यादा फोर्स लगानी पड़ेगी. It means push and pull the things is called force. Okay, dear students, do you know that what is gravity? Gravity is a force. Gravity ज़मीन की एक ऐसी force है by which earth pulls all objects towards itself, जिसकी मदद से ज़मीन तमाम चीज़ों को अपनी तरफ खींचती है. Dear students, I hope this information will enhance your knowledge. The next statement is points to remember. Okay, dear students, let's recall what we learned in this lesson. Yes, we have learned that when you have to take things from one place to another, you have to move them. Moving a thing away from you is called a push. Moving things towards you is called a pull. A thing moves only if you push it or pull it. Push and pull is called force. The next statement is about new words. Meaning of the push is moving things away from you. The meaning of pull is moving things towards you. And push and pull the things is called force. Okay, dear students, now we'll do exercise on page number 66. The statement is filling the blank with the correct option. First one is moving a thing away from you is called a push. Second one is removing a book from the bag is a pull. Third one is ringing a bell is a push. Fourth one is a thing moves only if you push it or pull it. Fifth one is you need more force to push a chair than a ball. Dear students, as you know that we have designed winter pack to retain your academic skills over winter break. And I hope you all have got winter pack. So open your winter pack page number 10. Let's read out unit number 6, physical science, chapter number 11, push and pull. The statement is answer these questions. Question number 1, what is a push? The answer is moving a thing away from you is called a push. Question number 2. What is a pull? The answer is moving things towards you is called a pull. Question number 3. What should you do if you want to move a thing? The answer is we should pull or push. Question number 4. Give one example of a push. The answer is throwing a ball. So dear students, now write down these all question answers on your notebook with the help of Winter Pack page number 10. Dear students, you can write these all question answers with the help of Winter Pack page number 10 like this. And I hope you understood each and every point to complete this task efficiently. Dear students, your home task to do is learn highlighted points, do and learn part A and part C, question number 1 till 4. And the second thing you need to do is about task on page number 68. The statement is color the clothes of the boy who is pushing blue and the clothes of the boy who is pulling red. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.